House sit number 11 is in the books. Super cool spot on the edge of some corn, which is, had that tom out over there. I was in this good little thicket here, in this little patch, and had my decoys out through this. Got this nice tree line transition down to the marsh, and when I was here last week, I had a tom right here hung up. I'm assuming it was the same one I saw this morning, and he was hung up at about 95 yards. He didn't want to come across this little opening between the trees. I was over in that corner, and I figured if I got in this, maybe he'd be more comfortable. And no, today he was chilling out over there, just eating the corn, doing his thing. Couldn't care. Had a couple sandhills come walking through, kind of skirted around my decoys. They came from the marsh back here, and they were heading up into this cornfield. Could have been a quick hunt if it was a sandhill crane hunt. Those two, they weren't too far away from where I was sitting. Would have had some ribeye of the sky if it was legal in old Wisconsin. Speaking of, spooked them on my way out. They're not happy. Sounds like Jurassic Park back here.